In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label a product for pre-order so shoppers understand what they're buying and when to expect it. Start by signing into your Squarespace site and opening your website settings. From the main sidebar, head into Pages. This is where your site's structure lives, including your store. If any onboarding panel or tooltip pops up along the way, go ahead and close it so you've got a clear view of the editor. Next, open your shop page. If your store uses collections, choose the All view so you can see every product in one place. Find the item you want to sell as a pre-order and open it. You'll see the product card. Click Edit to enter the product editor. Now let's add clear pre-order messaging right on the product so customers know what to expect. Click into the product title or the description, whichever is highlighted for editing on your screen. Most stores prefer the description because it gives you a little more room. Place your cursor at the very top and type a concise note such as pre-order item, estimated ship window, late May. You can tailor the wording to your brand, but keep it short, specific, and easy to scan. If you have a firm date, include it. If you have a window, state the range. If timing is variable, add a simple heads up like, dates are estimates, and may shift slightly. While you're here, scan the rest of the description. If you mention delivery, make sure it matches your pre-order note. It's a good idea to indicate whether customers are charged at checkout and to remind them that the order ships when stock arrives. Place the pre-order note above everything else so it's the first thing people see. When your message looks good, click Save. That publishes your change to the live product page, so shoppers immediately see the pre-order details before adding the item to their cart. Clear, front and center communication reduces questions and helps prevent cancellations. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your ship window conservative to build trust. If the timeline changes, return to this product, update the note, and save again. If you're launching multiple pre-order items, repeat the same process for each product so your messaging stays consistent. And finally, after saving, view the product on your storefront to make sure the note appears exactly where you want it and reads naturally. That's it. You've set up a straightforward pre-order message on Squarespace and given customers